Hello, today we're gonna see our first sound, that is P. P is one of the 6 plosives from the International Phonetic Alphabet for English dialects. Okay, basically you produce it like this. You put your lips together. After that, you let out the air with some force. Okay, so you go like this. Feel free to feel free to practice it as many times as you need to, because practicing it is the only way you're gonna get it down. A lot of people, when it comes to phonetics, studies the theory. A lot of people study the theory, but that's not enough. You may know that in English, the P in most times is pronounced as P, but the only way to pronounce it correctly is just by practicing it. So my advice is that you put 2 hours of your time into practicing this. So we're gonna say a few words with P so that you get the idea. So for instance, we have Percy, pause, pet, presume. Those are all the P in initial position. Okay. Then we have some P in mid position. Uphill, upheaval, upholstery. Like that. And then we have silent P. Okay. Pneumonia, psalm, psychology, which we're gonna leave for further chapters of this series. So now we're gonna move on to the first dialogue in a well-known book called How Now, Brown Cow. Alright.